In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a promo code on Trading 212. Whether you're new to the platform or just looking to unlock some additional benefits, redeeming a promo code is a straightforward process that I'm going to walk you through. So let's get started and make the most out of your Trading 212 experience. First things first, to redeem a promo code, you'll need to open the Trading 212 app on your device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, make sure to install it from your app store and set up an account. Once you're in, you should see the home screen of the app, designed to give you quick access to all its features. The user interface is quite intuitive, so navigating through it should be a breeze. Now that you have the app open, you'll want to head to the menu. You can find it by looking for the hamburger icon, which is usually 3 horizontal lines typically located in the top corner of your screen. When you tap on this, it reveals a list of options that will allow you to access different areas of the app. This menu is your gateway to managing your account and preferences. After opening the menu, look for the option that says Use Promo Code. This is specifically where you'll want to be to apply any code you might have. Once you've located it, simply tap on it. The app will then prompt you to enter your promo code. Here's where you need to be a little careful. Make sure you type in the promo code correctly, as even a small typo can result in the code not being accepted. These codes are case sensitive, so double check if you need to use any uppercase or lowercase letters. Once you're confident you've entered it correctly, you can move on to the next step. Next, you'll see an option to confirm your entry and use the promo code. The app might ask for a final confirmation to proceed with redeeming it. This is just a security measure to ensure that you genuinely want to apply the promo. So go ahead and confirm. Once done, the code will be redeemed and any benefits associated with it should be applied to your account almost instantly. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to redeem your promo code on Trading 212. Always make sure to check the terms and conditions associated with your promo code, as some might have specific requirements or expiration dates. Utilizing promo codes can be a great way to explore additional features or earn some perks. And now you're all set to do just that. Thank you for joining me today and happy trading.